Welcome to Braven Tutorials, your ultimate guide to leveraging AI for creating dynamic presentations and harnessing the power of customizable templates. AI-powered content creation. Revolutionize your presentation creation process with AI-driven content generation tools. From crafting compelling narratives to generating impactful visuals, AI streamlines the creation process, helping you deliver engaging presentations in less time. Customizable templates. Dive into a vast library of customizable templates tailored to various presentation needs. Whether you're pitching a business idea or delivering an academic lecture, these templates provide a solid foundation, allowing you to focus on refining your content rather than starting from scratch. Image creation tools. Unleash your creativity with AI-powered image creation tools. Generate stunning visuals, graphics, and illustrations effortlessly, enhancing the visual appeal of your presentations and captivating your audience's attention. Elevate your presentation game with Braven Tutorials. Stay tuned for expert insights and tutorials on how to harness the full potential of AI-driven content creation, customizable templates, and image creation tools, ensuring your presentations leave a lasting impression.